How to enable or disable calendar alerts on the lock screen, notification center, and banners on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, we tap on settings. And then in here, we scroll down and tap on notifications. After that, go down, then tap on calendar. And in the alerts section, you can choose to show or hide the alerts on the lock screen, notification center, or banners. So tap on the radio box for each of the items that you want to enable or disable. And that's it. So if you want to disable it on the lock screen, you can just deselect that, or you can simply select the item. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.